Welcome to our roundup of the best digital oscilloscope options for makers, students, and electronics enthusiasts. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits, learning signal analysis, or building your next project, we have selected reliable and feature-packed oscilloscopes that balance performance, usability, and value. We'll walk through what each model does best, how it feels to use in real projects, and who it is really for, so you can pick the perfect tool with confidence. All product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details. Let us dive in and find the right oscilloscope for your workbench. The first on the list is the FNRSI DSO152, a compact handheld oscilloscope that focuses on portability, simplicity, and quick measurements. This little device is built for people who want something they can grab, power on, and immediately start testing signals without a long setup process. The DSO152 features a clear color display and a straightforward interface that makes it friendly even for beginners. It's not meant to replace a full-size lob oscilloscope, but it shines as a pocket-sized troubleshooting companion. You can keep it in a tool bag and use it for quick checks on PWM signals, audio waveforms, or basic digital lines. The sampling capability is more than enough for hobby-level work and simple repairs, and the built-in rechargeable battery means you're not tied to a power outlet. In daily use, the DSO152 feels very convenient. The buttons are responsive, the menus are easy to understand, and you can switch between time bases and voltage scales quickly. This makes it great for learning how oscilloscopes work because you spend more time observing signals and less time fighting the interface. The trigger options are simple but effective, helping you stabilize waveforms without confusion. Overall, the FNRSI DSO152 is a smart choice for beginners, students, or anyone who wants a super portable oscilloscope for quick diagnostics and learning the basics without spending much. Next up is the Hantek DSO2C10, a bench-style digital storage oscilloscope that stands out for dual-channel capability, solid bandwidth, and a large, clear display. This is a more traditional oscilloscope aimed at users who want a proper workbench tool for regular projects. With its two channels, you can compare signals side by side, check phase differences, or monitor input and output at the same time, which is essential for serious troubleshooting. The screen is bright and spacious, making it much easier to read waveforms and measurements than on handheld units. What really makes the DSO2C10 enjoyable is how stable and smooth the waveform display feels. The user interface is well thought out, with dedicated knobs for vertical and horizontal scaling, just like classic lab scopes. This makes adjustments fast and intuitive, especially when you're trying to fine-tune a trigger or zoom in on a specific part of a signal. The automatic measurement functions are also helpful, giving you quick readouts for frequency, voltage, and timing without manual calculations. In real projects, this scope feels reliable and predictable. You can use it for microcontroller work, power supply testing, audio circuits, and general electronics development without worrying about running into limits too quickly. Overall, the Hantek DSO2C10 is a great step up from entry-level handheld models. It offers the comfort and flexibility of a full-sized oscilloscope at a reasonable price, making it ideal for hobbyists, students in electronics, and small workshops that want dependable performance without overspending. Next, we have the FNRSI DPO350P 4-in-1. A versatile tablet-style oscilloscope that impresses with multifunction integration, touchscreen control, and strong all-in-one convenience. This device is not just an oscilloscope. It also combines other useful tools like a signal generator and multimeter features, which can dramatically reduce the number of devices you need on your bench. The large tablet-like screen makes interacting with waveforms feel modern and intuitive, especially if you're used to smartphones and touch interfaces. Using the DPO350P feels very different from a traditional knob-based scope, but in a good way. Pinching to zoom, dragging to move waveforms, and tapping to change settings can be faster once you get used to it. The display gives you plenty of space to see details, and the overall layout feels clean and organized. For people who like a more visual and interactive workflow, this is a big advantage. Performance-wise, it's more than capable for most hobby and semi-professional tasks. You can analyze typical digital and analog signals, test modules, and even generate test signals without switching devices. This all-in-one nature makes it especially useful for small workspaces, classrooms, or mobile setups where space and simplicity matter. Overall, the FNR SI DPO 350P is an excellent choice for users who want a modern, space-saving, multi-tool solution that can handle a wide range of electronics tasks with ease and style. Next, we have the Siglent Technologies Digital Oscilloscope, a more professional-grade option known for high signal accuracy, fast waveform capture, and excellent build quality. Siglent has a strong reputation in the test equipment world, and this scope clearly shows why. It's designed for users who want reliable, repeatable measurements and a smooth experience when working on more demanding projects. The screen is crisp, the interface is polished, and everything about it feels like it belongs in a serious lab. One of the biggest strengths here is how quickly and cleanly it captures and displays signals. Fast update rates make it easier to spot glitches, noise, or rare events that slower scopes might miss. The triggering system is also very capable, giving you confidence that what you see on the screen truly represents what is happening in your circuit. The menu system is deep but well organized, so you can access advanced features without getting lost. In practical use, this scope shines in tasks like debugging microcontroller communication, analyzing switching power supplies, or working with more complex analog circuits. Overall, the Siglent Digital Oscilloscope is a fantastic choice for advanced hobbyists, engineering students, and professionals who want dependable, accurate measurements and a truly polished experience. The last one on our list is the FNR SI 2C53T Upgraded, a powerful handheld device that stands out with dual-channel support, multifunction design, and a bright, easy-to-read screen. This is not just a simple pocket oscilloscope. It's designed to be a compact, do-it-all tool that can handle more serious diagnostics while still being portable. You get the flexibility of 2 channels and a handheld form factor, which is extremely useful for comparing signals or checking cause and effect relationships in a circuit. Using the 2C53T feels surprisingly close to using a small bench scope, just in a much more mobile package. The screen is large enough to clearly show waveforms, and the interface is well organized for quick adjustments. The upgraded performance means you can work with a wider range of signals than on simpler handheld models, making it suitable for more than just basic checks. It's great for field technicians, students who move between classes and labs, or anyone who wants a capable tool that doesn't take up desk space. Overall, the FNR SI 2C53T Upgraded is an excellent top pick for those who want the best balance between portability and performance. It delivers serious features in a compact body, making it a reliable and versatile companion for both learning and real-world troubleshooting. So, that wraps up our list of the best digital oscilloscopes you can choose from right now. Whether you want something ultra-portable, an all-in-one tablet-style tool, or a more professional bench scope, there's something here for every type of user and every kind of project. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more useful tech and tool roundups like this. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building and keep experimenting.